At number 1, we have the Hoto EasyFlow Hot Glue Gun. This is the best glue gun you can buy for the price and offers exceptional versatility with its wireless and wired usage options. This innovative tool features automatic dispensing technology, ensuring a steady and even flow of glue with just a light press on the trigger. The gun preheats rapidly in just 30 seconds, allowing for quick project starts. Its 3,000 mAh battery capacity enables extended use, dispensing up to 28 glue sticks on a single charge. The EasyFlow comes with 40 glue sticks, including 10 colored and 30 transparent, providing immediate crafting options. Intelligent temperature control maintains optimal heat, preventing overheating and ensuring consistent performance. The anti-drip design reduces mess and protects hands from hot glue. Ergonomically designed, the gun's balanced structure allows for comfortable handling during extended use. It features an auto-off function after 5 minutes of inactivity, enhancing safety. The lightweight construction at 195 grams and compact size make it easily portable and storable. So that sums up my top 5 glue guns I hope you enjoyed.